Hey everyone, welcome to Pixel Studios. Today, we are creating custom animations in Roblox Studio. First step, switch your avatar type to R6. First, I am saving the game to access the avatar setting. I'm gonna name it as Test Game. So as you can see, this is the new avatar setting. All right, we're loading in, just give it a sec. Everything's boosting up behind the scenes. All right, it's loaded, finally. Now, take a look at this. These new Roblox Studio avatar settings? Yeah, they're like a puzzle made by someone who hates simplicity. So as you can see, this is the new avatar setting. So just click on the three dots in the top right corner and choose R6. This helps to force the player's avatar to R6, which is kind of better. Okay, now that's done. Let's go to the next step. Now, to keep things smooth and make everything easier to see, head into the library and search this. Look for one like this. It's blank, but gives you a crisp character outline that's perfect for testing your custom animations. Next, you should put the starter character in the starter player. Now delete the unnecessary things. All right, now for the main part. Go ahead and add a local script inside starter player scripts. You can follow along with what I'm doing or just copy the code from the comments below. Don't worry, I'll break it all down later in the video. Next up, we'll need both a walking animation and an idle animation. I'm just going to start by typing out the walking animation first. All right, I've picked the animation. Now I just need to save it and paste the animation ID into the slot in the local script. Here's the slot where the animation ID goes. I'm renaming it to Movement Animation for clarity. It helps to keep the script clean and modular. All right, now that the walking animation is set up, we need to do the same for the idle animation. Head over to the toolbox. Find an idle animation that fits your style. And once you've chosen it, save it and copy the asset ID. Feel free to test out different animations to see which one best fits your game style. It's all about finding the right vibe for your character and gameplay. Then, just replace the placeholder in the local script's idle animation slot with the new ID. Keeping both animations properly labeled and organized will make things much easier down the line. As you can see, the script's all set, and it should work just fine. If everything's in place, your animations will kick in smoothly when you test the game. I'm going to test it just to make sure. And look, the idle animation's working. Plus, the walking animation is running perfectly too. As you can see, the tutorial is completed, and I'm going to explain you the script as I told. Local player gets the current player on the client. Character is their avatar, which may need to load first. Humanoid, inside the character, handles movement, health, and animations. You create two animation objects, one for idle and one for walking. Each gets a unique animation ID. Replace the placeholders with real asset IDs. Then, you load these animations into the humanoid using load animation, which gives you tracks you can control, play, stop, or check if they're running. You create two animation objects, one for idle and one for walking. Each gets a unique animation ID. Replace the placeholders with real asset IDs. Then, you load these animations into the humanoid using load animation, which gives you tracks you can control, play, stop, or check if they're running. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped level up your game, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more immersive mechanics and cinematic polish. Hit the bell so you never miss a drop of dev magic. Got questions or ideas? Drop them in the